Hello everybody, this is Guillermo with nomadprogrammer.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about data manipulation and where you want to be performing this type of work when you're building a web application. So if you are using Angular and you're leveraging AG Grid to present large amounts of data, you will be asked as part of a project to take the data that's coming back from a service and either do some pagination of that data, you have to sort it, or you have to filter it. And while this can be done with AG Grid, my recommendation is that you push back and try to get the backend developers and the service to handle a lot of this grouping, pagination, and sorting. Mainly because I worked in multiple projects, and in some of these projects will require for this data to be integrated with other services, with other systems. And a lot of this data is only done on the client side, on the browser. You are going to have to recreate that same filtering criteria and pagination functionality on the backend a second time. So if you are doing front-end development and you are delivering solutions, make sure that you explicitly push back and push for the developers or the development yourself to build some of this functionality for sorting and manipulation on the backend service. The only two times when you would not be able to achieve something like this is if you're working on a proof of concept, a POC, just to show the business or show your project team that you could achieve the data, organize it in a particular way, and just quickly do a prototype for people. The second time when you would probably only want to do the data manipulation on the client side is if you're getting the data from a legacy system, a system that no longer supported, that is no longer maintained, and is tightly integrated into production, like other systems have to use it. So in that instance, you're pretty much out of luck, and you really want to just do a lot of that data manipulation yourself on AG Grid. You will be able to achieve that to a certain extent, but in those two cases, that's the only time that I would recommend that you do a significant amount of data manipulation for your web project. Push as much of that slice and dice control to the backend because it will benefit the systems or other systems that need to integrate with your current web application in the future. Okay? All right, that's all for today. And until next time, this has been Guillermo. Bye-bye.